Flood warning.
Cloudy with a temperature of 46. Reports from nearby cities outside
Supposed to be
Ohio.
warm.
Temperatures were between 46 and 51 degrees.
Whoa!
Flood warning in effect from this evening to tomorrow morning. What? Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast. Where? Eagle Creek at Phalanx Station. When? From this evening to tomorrow morning.
That's a huge fail.
At 9.5
First off, my
feet. Barkley,
8H
Messerly Road south of the
activated to
Warren
the third
Airport
header, and then the
Greenville
adapter
floods.
decides to fail.
Milton Road will be threatened. Additional details. At 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Thursday, the stage was 9.7 feet. Recent activity. The maximum river stage in the 24 hours ending at 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Thursday was 9.8 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to fall below flood stage just after midnight tonight and continue falling to 7.1 feet tomorrow afternoon. Flood stage is 9.5 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. The Akron, Canton, Ohio climate summary for this evening as of 5:15 p.m. March 24th, 2022.